Good morning, children. In our previous class, we have discussed about fuels, and we have talked about different types of fuels. Where when they burn, they produce heat and light along with the energy. Like, for example, magnesium, ribbon, um, coal, petroleum. We talked about so many fuels, wood, CNG, LPG. All these are the different types of fuel. When they burn, they produce heat and light. So here also we'll talk about the same, little bit similar topic, that is combustion and flame. So here, what is combustion? It is a process in which a substance reacts with water. A substance react with oxygen to generate heat. ये एक ऐसा केमिकल प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे एक सब्सटेंस हीट जनरेट करने के लिए इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ये पॉसिबल है, यानी कि ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में वो हीट जनरेट करता है. सो कंबशन प्रोसेस या ये केमिकल प्रोसेस होने के लिए हमारे पास वैसा ही सब्सटेंस होना चाहिए, एंड वी कॉल दीज सब्सटेंसेस एज कंबस्टेबल सब्सटेंसेस. Now, what are combustible substances? Combustible substances are those substances which undergo combustion. यानी कि वो इस केमिकल रिएक्शन के लिए सुटेबल होते हैं so that they can give heat and sometimes light also, and only in the presence of oxygen. ये केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में ही पॉसिबल है. Now, these combustible substances are hydrocarbons. What do you mean by hydrocarbons? They are made of hydrogen and carbons. That's why on reacting in presence of air, they give out carbon dioxide. वो carbon dioxide release करते हैं, but oxygen को use करते हैं for the combustion. Now, there are different types of substances also, like inflammable and flammable. Like inflammable substances are those substances which have low ignition temperature, जिनका ignition temperature बिल्कुल low होता है और वो easily fire catch करते हैं. What do you mean by ignition temperature? That it is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. एक ऐसा temperature, एक lowest temperature जहाँ पे एक substance easily fire को catch करता है. Like petrol, LPG. LPG कैसा होता है ना, एक normal सा spark भी is enough to catch fire. ठीक है, तो that means these substances are having low ignition temperature to catch fire. Now, normally we call food as a fuel. How come our food acts as a fuel? The food which we eat is in a complex form, and it gets converted into simple form, into the simple substances when it reacts with oxygen. खाना डाइजेस्ट होता है, हम जो खाना डाइजेस्टेड है उससे जो एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है वो हमारी बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब होती है, एसिमिलेट होती है, एंड दैट रिएक्शन, दैट ब्रेक डाउन अकर्स इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू जनरेट हीट or to generate energy as a fuel for our body. Now, अब combustible substances को या हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं, ऐसे substances जो fire catch करते हैं उनके लिए भी तो कुछ specific conditions होती होंगी कि वो कब fire catch करेंगे. तो there are certain conditions for the combustion, like for combustion fuel is required. So the first requirement is fuel. आपके पास fuel होगा, combustible fuel होगा, then only it can produce heat or light. Because there are some substances which are non-combustible. Non-combustible means वो burn नहीं होते, वो fire catch नहीं करते. Like sand, soil, ये चीजें fire catch नहीं करती है. तो such substances are called as non-combustible substances. So the second condition is air. For combustion, there should be a supporter, and there are some other some other conditions also which do not support combustion, like carbon dioxide. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के प्रेजेंस में कंबशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि वो कंबशन को सपोर्ट नहीं करता. whereas air is a supporter, it supports burning, it supports combustion. The third one is heat. Substance must reach its ignition temperature. What does it mean? Every substance is having its own ignition temperature. हर एक substance का अपना different ignition temperature है. For example, petrol 246 डिग्री सेल्सियस, डीजल 210 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो जितना ज़्यादा लोवेस्ट टेम्परेचर होगा, सब्सटेंस उतना जल्दी फायर कैच करेगा. लाइक पेट्रोल, डीजल. एक छोटा सा स्पार्क भी काफ़ी है इनके लिए कि so that they can catch fire. So these are the conditions for the combustion, that is fuel, air and heat. That is their ignition temperature. So till now what we have understood, that is about the combustion, different types of substances, combustible and non-combustible substances. We talked about food as fuel and the conditions which are required for the combustion. So moving forward, in our next video, we'll discuss about how air supports burning and the different types of combustible substances. Till then, thank you.